Imagine creating something once and then watching it continue to generate income month after month, year after year. Sounds great, right? Well, in today's video, that's exactly what we're gonna explore. I found 5 KDP books that can make 6 figures in 2026. Now, before you assume that this is all about luck, viral trends, or chasing what's hot, it's not. Because when you actually look at the books on Amazon that perform at a high level, something interesting happens. They're not random. They follow a pattern, a specific type of structure, a specific type of demand, and a way of being positioned that allows them to keep selling long after they're published. And most people completely overlook it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the 5 types of KDP books that have potential to scale over time, why these books work when others don't, and what you should be paying attention to if you wanna build something that lasts. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first KDP book that can make 6 figures in 2026 is going to be in this niche called the Sight Words Activity book. Now, before I actually show you the book, I just want to show you how lucrative this niche is. When we look through the books on the first page, the first book is already a #1 bestseller right here. I mean, you can look at the royalties, $13,000 to $20,000 per month. Here's another bestseller book right here, and then go into the next row. Some more books here that are doing quite well. This one, a couple $100s per month, and some more sight words right here. This one, couple $100s per month. Now, if we take a look at this book, this is the 6-figure book. 200 must-know sight words activity workbook, and we look through the interior. You can see some letter tracing on this page throughout the alphabet here, and this is the type of activity book that's going to have different types of activities within this book, and this is just one of those activities that we're able to see. So a little bit of work here, but it's actually not that complicated. There are tools that can help you create this type of sight words activity book. For example, this one right here, this sight words worksheet generator. There's a lot of different ways to customize the pages, and it makes it very easy because you don't actually have to design it by scratch. You just have to replace the words, and it makes it really easy, really fun to actually create this type of book. If you want to check out this generator, I've linked it down below. Now, this book has a bestsellers rank of 925, so a top 1,000 book. And we can see 30-day royalties anywhere from $7,862 to over $11,000 per month. Now, these are estimated royalties. But if we go ahead and take the calculator here and use the high estimate here of $11,794 and multiply that by 12 months in a year, you're gonna see $141,000 per year possible with this one single book. Now, the next KDP book that can make 6 figures in 2026 is going to be in this niche called the Pixel Coloring Book for Adults. Now we see total results 1,077. So this is a type of niche that's not too competitive and even has a pretty high niche score of 67. And the Titans Pro analysis saying demand is a 6, opportunity is a 9. So this is one that you could actually get started with right now. Looking through the first page, here's a bestseller right here, as well as another bestseller right here. Here's one doing well, $5,000 per month, 100 mystery mosaic color by number. And then another one here, a couple $1,000s per month, all coming from a single book. And then here's another bestseller. Now, if we actually look at the #1 bestseller in this niche, we can see 794 bestsellers ranked, so a top 1,000 book, and 30-day royalties, $8,000 to over $12,000 per month. So if we take the calculator, we put in 12,776, multiply that by 12 months in a year, you see $153,312 in estimated royalties per year coming from a single book. And if we look at the sample, so here is a color palette right here, or a key. And then here is the actual grid where there are letters and numbers that correspond with this key and this palette. And once it's all filled in with the proper color, it turns out into a full colored illustration. And as you can see, it's just pretty much like this for the entirety of the book. Now, it may seem hard to create this type of book, but I've made plenty of videos showing you how simple it can be using a tool, a simple tool, which is going to be this color by number tool right here. Very easy to change the book size, the grid size. And all you have to do is you put in an image that you can download from Creative Fabrica or you can create with AI. You can change around the shape as well as the colors. It comes out something like this. This is the full colored illustration. You can make edits to these, but it also includes the actual grid, the white grid, as well as the palette that makes it easy for you to create these books. If you want to check this out, I'll leave a link to this color by number generator down below. Now, the next KDP book that can make six figures in 2026 is going to be in this dot marker activity book niche. Now, overall, this niche is into competitive. Total results 1,422. And we're looking here at Titan's quick view. We see demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9, very high numbers, and the niche score of 85. And this is the type of book that you can make manually, and it's actually not that hard. Once I show you the interiors of these books, you're gonna see how easy it is to create this. Now, looking at some of these books, this one, couple $100 per month, estimated royalties. Here's one right here doing $4,000 to over $6,000 per month. Here's a vehicle dot markers activity book, making a couple $1,000s per month. So as you can see, pretty lucrative niche. But when we actually look at one of these books, you can see just a bunch of circles here inside of an image. Now, these circles are meant to be used for these dot markers. But as you can see, all you do is you place circles inside an image. Very easy to do, very simple, not complicated. You don't need a fancy tool or a generator. All you need to do is find some of these images, put circles inside them, and really it's just as simple as that. Now, this book is ranked at 857, so a top 1,000 book. And you can see 30-day royalties anywhere from $4,000 to $7,000 per month. Now, obviously, if they price this book a little bit higher, these royalties would be a little bit higher as well. And as you can see, only 50 images, so only 102 pages overall, so not a very lengthy book. Now, when you take the calculator here, let's type in 7099 times 12. Now, this one's going to be a little bit short of the six-figure mark, but as you can see, it's still a pretty large number that's coming from one single book. And as you saw, it's a pretty simple book. So imagine creating a dot markers activity book that takes off, becomes popular, becomes a bestseller. Well, you can see the potential here. Now, the next book is going to be this Mazes for Kids Maze Activity book. This is a #1 bestseller, but not a very lengthy book, only 109 pages, so about only 50 activity pages, or if it's front to back, I mean, it could have 100 activities. Now, this has a bestsellers rank of 443, so a top 500 book, and as you can see with the 30-day royalties, $18,000 to over $27,000 per month. That's just insane coming from a single book. Now, looking at the interior, really only have the back cover here to look at some of these activities, but as you can see, just some mazes here, very creative, but at the end of the day, they are just mazes. So if you know how to create these mazes, or you find a tool that can create these very cool looking intricate mazes, then you could possibly create one of these books that could compete with this bestseller. Here's some more of these interiors, trophy, a car. So very creative on the mazes, but as you can see just how popular this book is, making over six figures per year. When we actually calculate that, let's take 27,718, multiply that by 12. We're gonna see this makes over $330,000 per year. Once again, guys, coming from a single book. So that's the potential of KDP. I mean, this was published in 2020, and I know because I've seen this for many years, this book hasn't changed. So this publisher has been making quite a lot of money from this single book. And not to mention, if this publisher has multiple books that are all doing well, I mean, that is the power of publishing, and that is the power of publishing on Amazon KDP. Now, book number 5 that can make six figures in 2026 is going to be this How to Draw Books for Kids. Now, this niche can be a little bit competitive, but I wanted to show you just how lucrative this niche is. Look at the niche score, 93, demand 5, opportunity 8, and the average bestsellers rank on the first page is really, really low at 24,000. And going through these books, I mean, check this out. Bestseller, look at those royalties right there. And that is a per month estimated royalties. Here's another one, bestseller. Look at that, $50,000 per month. This one, $81,000 per month. More bestsellers, more insane royalties, and more bestsellers, more insane royalties. So this is a very lucrative niche. If you were able to create a book that really got popular in this niche, I mean, the sky's the limit for this type of book. You could be making multiple six figures from one single book. Now, this book is a little bit more intricate. It is a how to draw book for kids. And if we actually look at one of the samples here, essentially what it is you have your final image here, but they're in steps. And there is a way to use ChatGPT or AI to actually reverse engineer these steps. And I've actually played around with these prompts and they actually do pretty well. I have a video out on my channel if you want to go ahead and watch that. But if you do want to try out some prompts that you could reverse engineer and create this type of book, I'll leave that prompt list in the description down below. Now, this book with a bestsellers rank of 24 out of all the millions of books on Amazon is seeing 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $126,000 to $189,000 per month. That is per month. This is making six figures per month, not per year. So this book is essentially a seven-figure per year book. Now, this book isn't too old, 2024, but as you can see, just the power of KDP if your book becomes a #1 bestseller. Now, this book isn't even that long, only 108 pages, and here 300 cute drawings. So if we actually look at the A+ content, we can see what it actually looks like. So for each page, there are 3 how to draw activities, but as you can see, essentially all the same. You have your final image, you can reverse engineer it, and it's all just about being creative with the images that you use. But if you're able to take some time, create this type of book, this is the type of book that can really do well. So like I said, if you want to try out the prompts, this is a little bit of what it can do. You can see it has that final image and it reverse engineers it. And here's some more examples here, all just reverse engineering. So you could possibly make a book in this niche using these prompts. So if you want to try it out, once again, I'll leave the link to this prompt list that you can create these types of images down in the description below. So hopefully this gives you a different perspective on what's actually possible with Amazon KDP. Because yes, these types of books have the potential to reach six figures, but not overnight, not without effort, and definitely not by guessing. But when you focus on the right types of books, build within the niches that have consistent demand, and stay committed long enough to let those things compound, it becomes very real. So no, it's not easy, but it's absolutely possible. And in 2026, with the tools available now and the amount of opportunity still on the platform, there's still plenty of room for people who approach it the right way. And if you want a clear roadmap on how to approach this the right way, from choosing niches to actually building out your books, you can grab my KDP royalty roadmap in the description down below. It's completely free and it'll walk you through the bigger picture step by step. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.